Solving using Python model question paper. Part A. State about the logical operators available in Python language with example. George Boole in mid 1800 developed the Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra contains set of Boolean logical operators donated by and or not in Python. Here given this expression in truth table xy, x and y, x or y, not x. This is a truth table for AND operator, OR operator, and not operator. False, X is false, Y is false, AND operator is false, OR operator false, not operator true. X is true, Y is false, AND operator false, OR operator true, not operator false. X is false, Y is true, AND is false, OR is true. X is true, Y is true, AND is true, OR is true. This is a truth table for AND operator, OR operator, logical operator. AND operator means multiply the values. OR operator means add the values. Not operator means reverse the values. To give the Python code to find the maximum amount, the list of 10 number. Here the list of number given 10 values. When we have to find, print the largest number of the list in maximum values. The largest number of the maximum values is 76. It will be stored the maximum list. The output is 76. The list of maximum number 76 is the maximum values. 3. Define recursive function. Recursive function is a function that called itself. Example, function A is a function name. Call to function A means a function call function. A function call to the function A means whenever we want that function, we invoke that function A. 4. What is the command line argument? The command line argument is nothing but it is without knowing the programmer, it can be easily understand the command line arguments. Next, define algorithm. Algorithm is a series of steps that can be systematically followed, producing the answer to the certain type of problem. 6. Define hardware. The computer hardware comprises the physical parts of the computer system. It includes all important components of CPU and main memory. It also includes peripheral components such as keyboard, mouse, and printer. What is the list in the Python? The list is a linear data structure, meaning that elements is linear ordering. Here the first element, second element, and so on. Each item in the list identified by the index. Each item in the list identified by the index value. Here 0 value stored is 68.8. 1 values 70.2. Up to 6 values 74.0. Storing the values sequence one by one. The values stored in the list. 8. Define the default arguments in Python. The default arguments is the argument that can be optionally provided the function call. When not provided, corresponding parameters provide the default value. 9. What is the function routine? A program routine is named the group of instructions to accomplish some task. A routine may be invoked many times needed the given program. A function in Python, the version of the function routine or program routine. The routine A, call to routine A, call to routine A, call to routine A. Routine A is a function name routine A. Whenever we want, we have to call the routine A number of times it will invoke this function. 10. What is the object? Object contains the set of attributes stored in the set of instant variable and set of functions called method that provide the behavior. The object contains set of attributes stored the set of instance variable and the set of functions that provide the group behavior. All list objects contain the same set of method. This period to defined as a dot operator. For example, exception in the value that raised thrown signaling unexpected or exceptional situation it has been occurred. The Python contain predefined the set of exception referred as a standard exceptions. 11. Define the dictionaries in the Python. A dictionary is in the Python is mutable. The associative data structures of variable length donated the use of the curly braces. Curly braces define example daily temp file. Sun 68.8, Mon 70.2, Tues 67.2, Venus 71.8, Thurs 73.2, Friday 75.6, Saturday 64.0. Means daily temperature means Sunday we have one temperature, Monday we have two temperature, Sunday to Saturday we have some temperature that can be declared in dictionary in Python. Thank you.